It's, ano ba yan? January 2 na. Kasi 12:35 na ng madaling araw. And we're going to unbox and unwrap all of our gifts. Gifts from friends and family. Who's gonna go first? Patawa topic. Patawa topic. Patawa topic.
Ano ka? Talo
Ganun
ka
ba yan? Okay. So, I'll go first. I'll open this first kasi ito ay bigay sa akin ni Ma'am Jeannie and ni Ma'am Mira. Thank you. Ayan siya. What's this? Whoa.
What's that?
Panglinis ata to ng ano.
Ang tulos naman ng panlinis. Ano to?
Panlinis ata ng sa phone.
Earphone cleaner.
Yeah. And then this, I don't know what this is. I think this is alcohol.
Walang laman.
Walang laman.
Perfume ano. Hindi mo i-refill yung perfume. Dito i-press mo dito. Tapos dun mo lalagyan yung mapupuno to ng perfume. Ito, galing kay Nina and Easy. So, I got a shirt that it said Live Green Philippines.
Wow. Nice.
It's nice.
Looks cool. I'm also gonna open the gift of Nina and Easy. I almost don't wanna ruin.
Kailangan mo na. Ganun ang gift wrapper. Sinisira talaga.
Wow. This is amazing. I like it. I love mga pangkikay stuffs. This is Simple Sweet Eye Care Set. So it has eyebrow wax, eyebrow powder, eyebrow gel, eyebrow brush and spoolie, eyebrow shaver, eyebrow stencil. Wow. This is everything brows. Look. For that eyebrows on fleek. Nice. I like it. Thank you.
Okay, mami.
Gift sa'yo?
Hindi, gift ni...
Mamaya yung kay mom.
Buksan mo na din yun para sa same time.
Sige.
Dalawa kasi yan. Meron ka isa.
Meron pa isa? Okay, sige.
Ako na.
So, gift ni mommy and daddy.
Ito, ang gift nila sa akin ay another t-shirt. White t-shirt. Oh, it's a long piece. Hollister.
Sheesh.
Sa Hollister,
Pakita mo.
California.
Hindi makita sa camera.
Yeah, this one, a long tee.
Wow. That looks nice.
Thank you, Tita Tito.
That looks so nice, Hobby.
Yeah, it's nice.
This is mine. This is a gift from mom and dad.
That's a bag.
Feels heavy.
Mami naman.
Uy, wag naman sa ng pera.
Tito look.
Wow! Steve Madden. Wow.
Sino ka man, Steve Madden?
Wow.
May bago ka na naman.
It's
Shoulder
a
bag.
huge chase.
Paghampas yan pag may nang hold up. Tulog yun.
Tignan natin. Oh my God!
Ano yan?
I have 10 Canadian dollars. Oh, Mom.
May 10 Canadian dollar. Pares ng texture ng ano.
Kaya nga sabi nga ni Mami yung pera daw dito sa Pinas kagaya na sa Canada. Baka meron pa dito. Wala na.
Bago mo yun dyan.
Thanks, Mom.
May bago ka ng shoulder bag.
Oh my God, this is so amazing. This is so ganda. Ganda, oh. Pwede siyang iganto. Sakto kasi, mahilig talaga ako sa mga sling bag na.
Pwede itong tanggalin?
Yeah, tatanggalin. I'm not sure if, like, I wanna, like, wear it like this. Cute din pala, oh. No? Cute din siya. Nang shoulder bag.
Sling bag mo na lang, tapos dyan mo lagay-lagay phone mo.
Pwede.
Kasi din yung phone mo sa kanto. Electric pa rin.
Thanks, Mom.
Thank you.
Okay, next.
Next ay buksan natin yung galing kay Zia and Dennis.
So let me just show this to my favorite tita. I mean, like, what a big statement.
Sa akin, to Tito Dean, Merry Christmas, Dennis and Zia. Okay, ito hindi ako yung favorite. Zia, really? After ilabas kita sa global? Joke
After
lang.
kang dalhan ng ambulance.
Tapos kung akong tumawag ng ambulance sa mami mo, hindi ako yung favorite mo, ha? Ano to?
Buksan
Joke
mo
lang.
na, ang dami mo
Joke lang.
sinasabi.
That's okay. Joke lang yun. Siyempre, love you guys.
Ay, wala ang favorite yan.
Sino?
Ay,
Zia?
wala ang ilaw natin.
Yung makulit na yun? Of course. Love ko yan si Zia.
Thanks, ate.
Si
and
Dennis.
Dennis and Zia.
So, I got a couple of socks. I don't know if you can see it.
Can you open?
Oh, okay. Try natin.
Na-allergy na ako. Kita mo siguro yung allergy ko.
Tirahin ko na yung box guys, ha. Wow. So, I have a
Wow! Mahilig ka kasi mag-socks.
long green one,
Wow!
and then a beige with a
Wow!
beard.
Oh!
Nice. Thank you for couple of socks.
Oh, this looks so cute.
Oh, it's a regatta.
Large. You know I'm large. You know my size. It's a surprise! We got a shirt! Uy, perfect to dun sa blue ko na bago. Blue shirt and... Thanks, ate. And Dennis and Zia and family.
Ito ay galing naman kay daddy mo. And kay, of course, kay mami mo din.
Daddy and
Pero nauna
mom.
this time si daddy mo.
So, I guess this is dad's
And
gift.
then,
Let me open this first.
I have a gift here.
I see pink. Oh my god!
Belt bag.
Oh my god, this is Lululemon.
I have a gift here from Jet. It's from Animal.
Wow!
It's another t-shirt.
Wow,
it's a nice
this
t-shirt.
is a little bit smashy.
Look,
This
it's,
oh my god.
I got an animal. Because I'm animal. It's a t-shirt.
Lululemon nga, Nabi. Ang ganda naman ito.
Hindi yun, it's Lululemon.
Ha?
Hindi mo na lang ilagay cellphone.
Ayan o. Lululemon.
Yun, tong mga casual ano mo. Casual.
Wow, ang ganda nito.
Thank you for the
Thanks,
shirt.
Mom
Che.
and Dad.
And Jane, of course. Galing ka kay Che and Jane.
Pwede din to sling bag na halo.
Belt bag.
Oh my god, I have so many bags.
Pero ang suot na, ano, mas maganda yung nakaside na gano'n.
Nakaside na.
Mm.
Thanks, Mom and Dad.
Dalawa na bag mo.
Kaya nga, isa lang ang bag ko eh.
Meron ko pang brown.
Okay, what's next?
Buksan naman natin tong galing kay Ate Carol.
This is also
And Kuya
a
Francis.
fancy smash.
And then this
Yeah.
one is galing din kay Ate Carol and Francis.
Thank you, Ben.
Ang gabok.
Bakit ng bahay mo? Nahiya yung bahay mo.
Baka gising yung kapitbahay.
Hindi mo tinulog.
I got it.
Thank you for the...
I have a cap. Etibak. Ay, hindi pala. Active pala. Kala ko etibak eh. Active pala. Nice. I
Thank
have
you for
another
the
cap.
gift, Bendits and Kuya Francis.
Gang gang.
Wow! Check this out.
It's a lotion.
Yeah. Ito yung, ano eh. Oh!
Don't show that.
I saw the price.
No, you don't. Wala na. Hindi mo yung kita.
Uy, sana may cash. But, it's a nice one. It can fit in here.
No.
Can it?
No. No.
Can. Can. It will. It should.
Mga dito yan, lalagay mo dito yung cellphone mo.
Yeah.
Para hindi siya na-alone.
Thank you, Bendy.
Tapos dito yung charger and earphone mo.
So pretty.
Hindi charger. This one is from Ducati. Walang nakalagay para kanina, pero tingin ko galing dito kay mami mo kasi same packaging.
Yeah.
And then,
It's from my mom, definitely. Ano kaya to? Sana bike.
I have a gift here. No, this is for ate. And Che, bigay sa'yo. This is from Jamie and
Che.
And then ito yung gift
Thank
sa'yo
you,
ni...
Jamie and Che.
Ito yung gift sa'yo ni ate.
Hello. Thank you, guys.
Nalagay ko yan. And then this is a gift from nanay. So, kung napapansin nyo, wala akong gift. Wala, ito na. Ito na yun,
What
mga
do you mean?
lods. Ito na yun.
Mo sa akin?
Ito, tunay na pagmamahal.
Gift nila mommy and daddy.
Same?
No. It's a
Oh,
lotion.
Victoria's Secret.
Secret lang to. Bawal sabihin.
Pomegranate and Lotus.
Wow, balance.
Ang bango, naamoy ko na.
Wala pa man din eh.
Naamoy ko na, ang bango.
Okay, let's check this one out. Hindi ko maamoy, Habi.
Ang bango, hindi mo naamoy.
Hindi ko nakaamoy. Nakasarado pa eh. Paano
Amoy
maamoy?
ko nga eh, ang bango nga eh.
Yan po. Binuksan niyo na po. Paano mo maamoy? Ngayon ko palang naamoy nung binuksan mo. Yung binuksan mo, dun ka palang naamoy.
Tanggalin ko na to.
Hindi natanggal mo na eh. And then, this is a gift from Ate Ice. Thank you po.
Akin yung dalawang pabango yan. Nilagay ko lang. Kasi wala akong lalagyan.
Sure ka bang sa'yo yan?
Yeah.
Okay,
Ayun,
ata ito eh.
akin to, panlalaki to. Ito yung ginamit ko ngayon.
Mm.
So, this is Invictus.
Uy, ang bango niyan.
And then, meron dito replica.
Pagkaamoy ko pa
So,
lang sa'yo kanina.
Mason and Margiela, Paris. And then, this is from Paco Rabanne.
This one is
Rabanne.
pistachio.
Invictus.
Perfume
It's
din.
nice.
Oh my god. I'm excited to smell it.
And then, ito din pala. This is mine.
This is... Sure ka bang sa'yo yan? Baka sa akin.
Yes.
Yan. Sabi mo sa akin to eh.
Ito, oh.
Nagagawa pa ng liga. Bakit parang ano na?
This is just a little
Naubos mo na? Nagamit
tester.
mo na?
Hindi pa.
Ah.
But we can share in this one. Like this one.
Ano po ba yan?
Ano din to eh? Ayun.
Maker Lover?
Weewood.
Oh my god. Smell that?
Oo, mo. Ito rin naman.
Pang lalaki nga yan. Bagay sa'yo.
Yung nakita ko siyang
Ang bango
citrus.
nito. Pistachio. Caramel. Tastes. Can I taste that? Can I taste that? Bum Bum Cream.
Baka bambam yan.
For my Bum Bum. It's for my Bum Bum. It's not for your Bum Bum, but it's for my Bum. Visibly firm.
Lagay ko dito.
Okay, I'll have to check what this is for.
Thank you, ate.
Thank you, Ate Ice. Okay, let's check.
Okay.
Let's put Nanay's gift, the best for last. Sobrang
Sirain mo
surprise.
yung ano, yung... Tinisira yun.
I
Sirain mo,
admire that.
pwede mo ganun.
Bakit ba?
It's a
Ayaw
tradition.
kong sirain. I need to keep all of this.
Wallet.
The disappointment. Oh, yeah.
Baka may naman.
May laman. Bilisan natin. Bilisan natin. Baka may laman. Wow! Sana may laman. Sana may laman.
Oh. Oh, that's nice.
Oh.
It's a coin purse.
Ang ganda.
Kaya nga.
Pwede pa lagyan ng dito card.
That's nice.
Thank you. Thank you, chat.
May gift pa pala sa akin si ate. Kasi
Patingin.
nakita niyang butas na yung pantalon ko.
Pati pantalon. Wow.
Ni ate.
This is a gift from Nanay Frozen.
Uniqlo.
Wow.
Yeah, so I go, it's
Sheesh.
napaka-perfect ng timing.
This is Says Lady Lasting Waterproof Oil Control Matte Flawless.
Yeah. Regalo
love-
sa'yo yan ni nanay and ate Diva.
Aww, thank you po. Thanks, Nanay. And Ate Bibot. Did we
May
have-
salamin?
Yeah, meron. Has that. And then this.